Welcome to level 3 of How Asian Are You? You survived the first 2 rounds, but now it's gloves off, chopsticks out. 10 questions, 10 chances. Let's go. Question 1. What's the real test of an Asian household? The plastic bag full of plastic bags. If your kitchen drawer isn't a plastic bag graveyard, are you even Asian? Question 2. What happens if you don't greet an elder properly? Answer is you get the death stare. One look from Auntie and you'll wish you were never born. Pro tip, bow lower than your cousins. How do you know an Asian restaurant is truly authentic? Answer, they only take cash. No card? No problem. If the menu's in Comic Sans and the chairs are plastic, you're in for a flavor explosion. What's the real reason your Asian parents tell you to get married? Answer, so they can have grandkids.
Papa.
Question 5. What's the classic Asian way to show love? Answer, buy you food. I love you? No.
Arigato.
You look skinny? Eat more. That's love, Asian style. What does it mean if your Asian parents start cutting fruit for you? Answer, you're about to get lectured. Uh-oh. When the fruit tray comes out, you know it's intervention time. Question 7. What do Asian parents think is a useless career? Answer, artist. Might as well say you're a professional nap taker. I'm a doctor, lawyer, engineer, even influencer is better. What's the secret ingredient in almost every Asian dish? Answer, MSG. MSG equals make stuff great. Why do Asians tap their bowls when drinking soup? Answer, to show gratitude. It's like saying thank you to the soup gods. Question 10. What's a skill every Asian kid is expected to have? Answer, playing an instrument. Piano, violin, or the erhu if you're extra. If you didn't cry over scales, did you even have an Asian childhood? So, how'd you do? If you aced it, congrats. You're 100% Asian certified. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't forget to floss.